Hi, my name is Karen. I am the Chief People and Impact Officer at Bankingly. I am very happy to be part of this Financial Inclusion Week and being able to share with you this program that we have created with the People and Impact team of Bankingly. So starting with this, we will talk about building women's digital financial capability. So we will have an introduction, we will focus on the problem we found, the program, and the results. So let's talk a little bit about us. We are a fintech company that provides financial institutions with world-class digital channels. We help accelerate the financial health and inclusion of underserved customers. We are motivated to democratize people's access to their money and better services, regardless of their resources or location. In this way, we ensure financial inclusion reaches all sectors of society. So what is our mission? We want to improve 5 million lives by 2026. Our vision is enable financial health and inclusion for all. And our values are passion for customers, for excellence, for learning, for the team, ownership, the opportunity, and the challenge all the way, integrity, say what you will do what you say, will to win, make every challenge a win, and living better, deliver value, and evolve quickly. Why did we create an impact program? Which is the problem we have found? We saw that 1.4 billion people are excluded from the financial system. On the other hand, 400 million people are underserved. 56% of these are women, 197 million less women than men own cell phones. 65% of women own bank accounts compared to 72% of men, and 46% of the world's labor force are women. So this is the world data that has motivated us to create this program. Entrepreneurs must also juggle their personal finances, which are mixed up with their personal finances. And this is a percentage that has really inspired us to do something, that is the 34% of us in Latin America and the Caribbean, and 58% in Sub-Saharan Africa region fall into the credit constraint category. So we have seen that a very big percentage of these small companies are with the credit constraint. So this is what has inspired us to do something. And on the other hand, the discrimination based on gender and challenges in learning and implementing business skills, we saw that these women entrepreneurs are facing this. And on the other hand, women are less likely to conduct financial transactions via a cell phone, use mobile money, or own a mobile money account, and to know the benefits of mobile money or what it is. So this is what really moved us to do something in this sector, right? On the other hand, the gender empowerment is critical for the economic well-being of societies as a whole. Gender equity in the labor market can deliver significant gains to national income. Better economic opportunities are equal pay for women, lowers gender inequality and income inequality, and women's empowerment enhances economic resilience. So we saw that women, when we provide them with these tools and this knowledge, we can really make a difference also at home and in the economic of a country, right? So talking about the impact program that we have built, Mujeres que Inspiran, Women Who Inspire, is a program designed by Bankingly with the purpose of building financial health and financial capabilities for women entrepreneurs. So we have launched MVP in Cochabamba, Bolivia, alongside with Banca Familia, and will be launched in Sub-Saharan Africa soon. So we have been sponsored by all those companies, and what is our desired outcomes is 100% participants who are women, 30 loans dispersed by Banca Familia de la promotora, 30 business accounts created, and additional revenue, relationship, and loyalty from participating customers. So this is a three-part program. So first of all, we built a communication campaign to invite women entrepreneurs to an in-person workshop. Then the workshop where participants were taught on how to access credit for their businesses. And three, the developing capabilities through ongoing workshop where participants will design their business plan and learn more skills. This is a very important part because it's not just open their credit or access to it. It's also providing those women with the necessary tools to be able to continue with the loans and, of course, reach their targets and dreams. So those are the three women who own small businesses in Cochabamba, Bolivia, who were selected as the spokesperson for the program. Through their own testimonies, they invite other entrepreneur women to an in-person workshop taught at our partners' facilities. So we choose them because of their pitch, because of their values, and because of the story they have to tell and inspire and do this cycle, let's say, of inspiring women and growing together with those stories. So what is about Mujeres que Inspiran is a loan to boost their participants' business with a grace period of 6 months and the lowest interest rate in the market. This is an amazing achievement. Training in finance, advice on marketing, advertising and social media management, training in digital banking and e-commerce, that this is an important tool for their businesses too and manage them. And 2 selected endeavors will receive a 2,000 and a 1,000 investment respectively. And those are the conditions, let's say. So what Bankingly offers to this financial institution who are partners and so important in this program is the investment of $5,000 in the creation of the campaign and the promotion of the communication of the program, new customers attracted to our partners through the advertising and the program, and of course, all the purpose and the campaign that we are creating and this new product we are building together with the financial institutions and the digitalization of the participants of the program through training for the use of the digital channels. So this is another very important outcome, that those women who will present their projects, who will participate, who will grow together with us, they will also receive a lot of tools as the digitalization that in some places where those women lives is something that they don't have so much access or is constrained, and we will, of course, facilitate this to them. So which are the tools, what tools they will receive? First of all, the personal empowerment, sales pitch, personal branding, financial and digital banking. This is the introduction. So we will help them creating a business plan, marketing strategy. This will be another workshop that the idea is how they will align the idea, the project with the strategies they will need to develop to achieve their target and public. Then people and management skills for leadership, coaching, commitment, and the legislature that they will have to understand and face when they open and grow their businesses. Those businesses have 1 year or more, and many of them are in a very initial period or level, so they must understand what is going to happen, and we will just help these women to understand the challenges about the management, about building a team, about leading this team. Then the customer experience, so we will plan and the strategy for the needs that they will have to face, and this part of helping them thinking about the challenges, about the problems they maybe will have to face with this project, with their endeavors. So this is a very important part. And then we will just walk with them with special coaching sessions. We will try to have these frequent sessions to see what they are facing, how they are feeling, which new challenges they are facing, and be able to walk alongside with them to be able to, of course, have a success endeavor supported by Bankingly and the financial institution. Which results and learning, this is the fourth part of the presentation, we have seen in this MVP that we launched in Cochabamba with Banca Familia de la Promotora. We had 120 forms completed for this workshop that we did. We have 80 women that have presented in person to this workshop, and 100% of participants are within the process of obtaining this credit. So this is an amazing result because the engagement and the motivation of those women is very high, and they are expressing the volunteer of launching the credit and growing alongside with it. There is an absolute need for more programs like this one. The women entrepreneurs need support for learning and developing the skills, and also understand what they will do with the money, what they will do with investment. For this reason, we are traveling to the country to talk with the women, to understand face-to-face their needs, and of course, coach them with a P&L too, to understand where they will put this credit that they will receive from the financial institution. And the diversity of ventures seen at our workshops is a really interdisciplinary approach. So those women come from different sectors and from different businesses. So this make this MVP very, very rich, because we can understand, we can clusterize, and we can just analyze the needs, the profile of those women, and of course, how we will scale this program in all America and in all Africa with the different women, projects, endeavors, and profiles of people that will keep joining this program. So this make this MVP a very successful one. Thank you for being here, for listening, for having joined this this such important presentation about this program. We are really excited and motivated about changing the women perspective, lives, and of course growth. And we hope come back the next financial week with more results and with more endeavors, and being able to show you and share with you the testimonies about those women that have changed their path, their results, and their dreams. and we really hope to provide with a lot of credits and a lot of challenges to those people, women. Bye-bye.